In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently change the default search engine to Google in Google Chrome. If you found it tricky to keep Google as your main search engine, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into it. First, we're going to focus on changing the search engine itself. Start by opening your Chrome browser. Once you have Chrome up and ready, look for the three vertical dots located in the top right corner of your browser window. Clicking on these dots will give you access to a drop-down menu. From here, select Settings. This is where you can make numerous tweaks to your browser, including the selection of your preferred search engine. In the Settings menu, navigate to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Search Engine. This section allows you to define which search engine Chrome will use as its default when you're typing into the address bar. Find the drop-down next to the label, Search Engine Used in the address bar. Click on this drop-down, and you'll see a list of available options. Go ahead and select Google. By making this selection, you're setting Google as the default search engine every time you search directly from the address bar. Next, we'll make sure these settings don't revert. Unfortunately, extensions can sometimes change your search engine settings without your knowledge. To avoid this, open a new tab and type Chrome/extensions into the address bar. This command will take you directly to your list of installed extensions. Carefully go through the list and see if there are any extensions that you don't recognize. If something looks suspicious or unfamiliar, don't hesitate to click Remove next to that extension. Removing unwanted or potentially harmful extensions ensures your settings stay as you prefer them. Lastly, if you're experiencing persistent issues, you can reset Chrome to its original default settings. Go back to Settings by clicking the three dots in the top right corner. In the left-hand menu, click on Reset Settings. Then select Restore Settings to their original defaults. This action will prompt a confirmation window. Click Reset Settings to proceed. Doing this will disable all extensions and clear temporary data, but rest assured that your bookmarks and passwords will remain untouched and safe. By following these steps, you can keep Google as your default search engine in Chrome with peace of mind, knowing your browser is well configured and secure. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thank you for tuning in, and feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need.